What's up, guys? You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you're welcome, because I have something for you that your dentist has refused to tell you. Now this is a natural homemade mouthwash. Now this is actually going to help to remove your bad breath. It's going to help to dissolve the tonsil stone in the tonsil, because I'm just going to show you how you're going to do that after preparing it, and it's just going to dissolve the tonsil stone in your tonsils, and you are going to be loving it, guys. Okay, so if you want to know what it is for my mouth and tongue wash remedy, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button, alright, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, let's dive into the video. Cucumber are also high in fiber, and because they are crunchy, they actually scrub the teeth. Having a high water content also helps coat your mouth so it doesn't dry out. Chewing on cucumber will produce saliva to help wash away any bad bacteria in your mouth. So it's going to help to control your breath, and it's going to help to kill the smell of tonsil stone. Lemon are a good source of vitamin C, but lemon juice is high acidic, and it's also recommended to use once in a week while using lemon to gargle your mouth. It helps to kill bacteria, leave your teeth and mouth healthy, and it also removes bad breath. The bacteria in plaque produce acids that can erode the enamel of your teeth and lead to dental caries. Ginger acts as an inflammatory to support healthy mouth tissue, so it's going to help to remove your dental plaque, dental tartar decay, and mouth odor. Alright, so I have half cut of cucumber, so I'm going to be slicing it in cubes. I'm going to be slicing it in cubes. In two sections. Now I'm just going to be sieving this out. So we have just the juice. So I'm going to be cutting the ginger. Now in this one you have to get a good quantity of ginger. Alright guys, so here is the ginger. I blended it with some little water. Okay, and now I'm gonna be sieving that out also into the cucumber juice. So I'm gonna be turning that into the cup. Now time for the lemon. So you're just going to squeeze in half cut of a medium lemon, not too much since you're actually using it for the teeth, just half cut. And that is that's a actually good combination, and this is how it looks like. Okay, so we'll have to use this to gargle the mouth, gargle the teeth, and your bad breath is gonna be gone. So let's go do that. Hi guys. Okay, so here is look at how it settles. This is it. Yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that before you brush your teeth with before you brush your teeth, you have to gargle your mouth, gargle you whatever. You have to gargle your mouth with this, okay? Like you have to do that 3 times. And see, there's a place down here. Down there, I don't know if you've seen that there are tonsil stone in the tonsil. That place is called tonsils, but there are tonsil stones. Those tonsil stones are food particles that did not go into your stomach and you didn't spit out, so they gathered around there and they become very smelly. Like that thing smells really bad, okay? So this is actually going to help to calm the smell, and it's going to help to soften the tonsil stone, you know, enabling it to actually come out. All right, so that's what it's going to do. So 3 times you're going to gargle. If you have any sore in your mouth or you have any bruises in your mouth, it's going to be very pepperish, like that's the truth, okay? Okay, that's the second time. Alright, so after the third time you have to use water, okay, because it's going to be peppering you around here. There are very soft tissue around this cheek area inside, very soft. So because there's lemon in it, it's going to be a little pepperish, but of course just for 1 2 3 4 5 seconds and the peppery sensation is down, it's gone. Okay, so that's it guys. Go with this and your thumb is going to get clean. Your mouth is going to smell good, your teeth is going to be healthy, and you're going to love your dental, your old dental, all right, see ya. So that's it guys. Google it in your mouth 3 times, in like 3 times, okay, just like I earlier showed you. Now you are going to repeat doing this 3 times in a week also, or 2 times in a week also, okay, because it's actually very healthy, it's actually very friendly, and it's going to help to, if you have, just like I earlier said, if you have an open sore in your on your tongue, your gum and stuff, it's just going to get rid of it quickly, and you're going to love it. So try it out, it's actually inexpensive. So that's it. If you did love this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Alright, so I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and